Okay, so this is the Mark 1 prototype of the 3D printed Transtech Cheetor, and given the virus, not going to get to print any more parts for it, so it seems this is how he's going to stay for a while. Okay, the arms are finalised but were unable to be printed in time, along with a few other refinements. So we only have the upper shoulder joints here and the pivot in and out, which is there. There's a connection which is a bit wobbly because of a printer error, which the fixed version never got printed. The waist is very articulated, it's ball jointed, so there's a good range of motion. More the refined backpack, but still. The head has a good range of motion as well. Your upper knee joint needs tightening a little, but not upper knee joint, upper leg joint. Yes, the lower joint here and the other one here. There is a secondary joint below that, so his knees are double jointed to a point. Well, actually, they are pretty much double jointed. The fold out feet are not implemented in this version. However, the wheels do function. Okay, now for the transformation. Please ignore the metal pin here that needs to be cut down.